Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a business Facebook page on the Facebook. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see three lines on the right top. Click on it, and once you will click on it, now you have to scroll up and you have to click on the pages from here. Once you will click on it, here you will see different options, so you have to click on this create button and you have to click on the get started, and here you have to enter your page name, tutorial, and now you have to click on the next, and here you have to select the category. So you have to select business. You have to select your business from here, like beauty and cosmetics, and now click on the next, and here you have to enter the address of city, or you can simply skip it from the right top, and here you have to add the profile picture and the profile, and then click on the done. Once you will do it, as you will see, page is created now, so you can sell anything according to your business. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.